Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can add people to Airtable. It is very simple. Open your base in Airtable in which you want to add people. Then on the top right corner there is this share button. Press it and here you get the option to invite people by email, or you can create a link and you can share this link with people you want to add, and then they can use the link to um, get into your base. Or you can create a public link that anyone can use to access your base. But if you want to invite by email, which is what most people do, you can type the email of the person you want to add and you have to just press invite button. You can also add a message to tell them that this is you and you like to invite them or whatever, but this is optional. And then you have to check this box that's called invite to my first workspace, and then you have to press invite, and that's it. So this invitation has successfully been sent. So this is how you add people to your workspace in Airtable. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.